So, hi Sanjeev.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, very good morning. So in this video, what we'll do, we'll create a file share, Azure File Shares, and we'll try to access from the virtual machine. Okay. For this implementation, we need a virtual machine and second Blob Storage account. Okay.
Okay.
Should we create it? So after that, we can create our like a configure file share, Azure File Share. So this is a main work. So let me start. So you can see here, we already created a virtual machine, and virtual machine name is a node01. Okay. And second, let me show you. I already created a Blob Storage account one. You can see nothing inside anywhere. If you can check, here is also blank and file share is also blank. So what is the agenda here? I will create a file share. So how? Let me go by step by step. So you have to search here a storage account. A storage account. Okay. So if you'll search, first option you will get this a storage account. And whatever a storage account we have to open, and then you have to like after container you will get a file share. So you have to click here, and now you have to create your file share. Click on new files plus symbol. So let me give file share name. So capital will not accept. Then we have to go with a small Azure File Shares. Okay. So let me create, and you can see maximum capacity is 8 terabyte. So they will support 8 terabyte. You can share your file and you can keep your file inside this file share. Okay. So let me create here. Okay. So creation is done. So this is a file share, but if you want to upload here, so mainly what is use of this file share? What you can do with of this file share? Like let's suppose you created a file share and maybe like you want to mount this file share location in your laptop, in your virtual machine, or in any on-premise or Azure storage or cloud server. So you can implement this. So how you can do that? You have to click here, and what you have to do here. So let me give some example. You can also upload some files, something like a container here. Okay.
So it's a file share means simple file share where we can put our file, I think.
Yes, correct. You can share a file, but you can create, you can say mount point. So basically mount point, what they will help, because if you like a mount this share point in your local laptop, so no need to upload manually on the portal. If you can put your file, if you can create your new file into those folder, those automatically uploaded on Blob Storage. You got my point? So let's suppose I'm uploading this.
Okay.
So what is happening here? I uploaded, but if you want to access from the local machine, that will not work. So what you have to do here, you have to configure with your virtual machine. So next step, you have to connect. Are you getting this connect button? You have to click here, connect.
Yeah.
And you want to connect this share path or file share in your window PC. So simply you have to select window, or if you want to share in a Linux, you have to select here Linux, or MacBook, Mac operating system, you have to select this. But we have a window machine installed in this like a virtual machine. So what is the plan? In this machine we have to configure, and how we can do that? So let me like let me drag it off because it's creating a problem. Okay. So what I will do, I will go with a window, select window, and you have to show a script. Click here, show a script. In show a script, you will got complete a script how you can mount your file share in your local machine. Okay, so simply copy and paste this. Okay, you have to copy this and connect your server via machine or your local laptop, and you have to open PowerShell. PowerShell by default it's installed in the operating system, so you have to search PowerShell. Let me open PowerShell and right click and run as a administrator, and simply you have to copy and paste whatever you copy here. Okay, it's copied. Are you able to see? No, it's a different. Okay, let's check what is this. Yeah, it's right.
Yeah, I think.
So whatever I copy,
Enter.
it's let me open this, because what I copy, let me paste here. I think yes, same I copied here. Okay. Now what is the steps and what is happening? So okay, and let me enter those. Okay, it's I don't know what is happening. No, it's not working. Let me try with a new.
Try, I think, second time.
Let me open run as administrator and response. Attempting a TCP. What happened? Okay, save this one. Let me open your drive and click here. No, it's not there. This is not working. Unable to reach Azure storage via this port. Maybe unable to reach this port. What this is happening? Let me open up ICE tool, PowerShell, IC run as administrator, and you have to paste here. Whatever a script you have to paste. New file and paste your script and try to execute what is happening. Attempting a TCP, creating a connection. Okay, credential created, or you can see created access successfully. Are you getting this? Hello?
Yes.
So now you can see.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can see folder is created here.
Yeah.
And whatever file. So let's suppose, let me show you some demo because it's created successfully. What I have to do? Let me create some file. I'm creating a new rich text box file, and I'm putting a Sanjeev name. Okay. Again, again I want to create some text file. It's Azure.csv I'm putting here. Okay. Let me enter something. Here. And let me type something inside Sanjeev, a rich text box, Word file. Hello, India.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me save this. And let me verify from your whatever, like a portal, it's reflecting or not. Basically, we created a 2 additional files. So this should be replicated. Okay. So let me open a storage account and click here. Inside file share, open your file share, and you got your file is already here. Azure CSV. And this is Sanjeev automatically without uploading up.
Okay, that's very good.
So no need to do anything. And you can see here, it's a hello ADF is there. Okay.
So which file we put on that shareholder, they already create in Azure.
Yes, correct. So no need any like a manual, like automated. No need any script to copy and paste. Instead of uploading,
Okay,
you can directly paste there and you will get this. Let me try to execute the same script in my local laptop. It's working or not. PowerShell you have to search, or you can also try. I will give you some like a script. Okay. So let me run as administrator. Okay. Open here. And meanwhile, I'm pinging to you also. Okay. Just copy this script and paste, and after that you can share your screen, and so that we can check it's working or not for you. So let me try for myself, and after that you can also try. Okay. So let me execute this. Oh, it's running, attempting to connect. Are you getting this? But let me try what is happening. Yeah, it's created successfully. So let's suppose I want to paste from here. So let me open your drive, my computer, and you will get your drive is okay. Where is not showing? But it says it's created already. Where it's a J drive, Z. Okay. Where is J drive? Can you try with your side?
There's no data.
Could you, if you can share your screen, and after that you can try this. I already share in chat. Just open Zoom chat and you have to simply copy and paste and share your screen to me.
Okay. 1 second.
Are you sharing your screen? Please share your screen first.
Yeah. I shared my screen.
I'm not able to see.
No table. Okay, so I try again.
Okay. Let me check
He's
screen.
saying hot disable participant.
Yeah. Please try once again. I already enabled for my side.
Oh. Okay.
Please try. We have only 10 minutes. Yes, visible.
Visible or no?
Yes, visible.
So,
simply copy. Click on chat.
I copy already.
So the search
PowerShell.
PowerShell. Simply you have to search PowerShell. And
Window
first
PowerShell.
right click, run as administrator. And paste your script, whatever you have. Paste. And enter. What is happening? Why this is green? Okay, 1 second. Please search PowerShell.
I don't know.
Yeah, open PowerShell. 1 second.
PowerShell, I think.
PowerShell ISE.
PowerShell. Okay.
Yeah. Go down, right click over on it. Go down like apps in yeah. Second. Go down after second. Yes.
This one?
Yeah. No. Second. Go down. Yeah. Right click and run as administrator. No. In between both.
This one?
Yes. Right click and open run as administrator.
This is the Windows PowerShell, I think. Yeah.
Yes. New. Click on new first icon. I think. New. First icon. New. Click on new. Yeah. Yes. New.
Yeah.
Yes. And paste your script. Paste your script here.
I think we have to clear this one.
Oh, first. delete. Yeah, first you have to, and run. Click on run. Run. Icon is run icon is top of. Yeah. Undo and redo besides. Yes.
I think it's running. Waiting for response, I think.
Waiting for response. So let's check what is happening. Let's wait for seconds. Waiting for response. Waiting
He's
for
saying TCP connection.
wait. It's failed. Timeout. TCP connection. It's wait. Okay, basically I have to let me add your IP address because your IP address is not added. So that's why it's
Okay.
not working. So if you can stop
So
your serving.
okay.
So basically what happened? My system is like added already, you know this. But
Okay.
your laptop is not part and VM we already did. So let me go with another things. So we'll try it after that. Let me remove this file. Okay, I'm removing this file. Okay,
Okay.
I'm removing this file
Yeah.
and you can check. Now we can check from the physical VM. So let me VM. You can see here your file is also deleted from this here. Are you getting this?
Okay.
If I will delete here, okay, this is also deleted from your share folder. If you can check from your
Sure.
portal. So let me check from the portal and you can refresh here. You can see your file is deleted. Okay.
Okay. That's good.
So like
No.
anybody can write your file. Let me upload once again and this is a final. And you can also see, open your like my computer and you can see it's already refreshes. Are
So
you getting
what
it?
the maximum size of sharing file?
No,
5
yeah,
TB.
yeah, till 5 TB storage are there. Okay, so I think
Okay.
we have done. Maybe next video we'll proceed with a Azure Data Factory, how we can copy from like a container to blob, a container to Azure File Share or Azure Files to
Okay.
content. So we'll do
Okay,
in
sir.
our
Okay,
next
sir.
classes. Okay, thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Okay.